Okay, so we're going to talk Kisan Bill and why nobody's been able to explain Kisan Bill properly in India. It is very amazing, but that is true. And why they're not able to do that? Because they don't have the balls to say the truth that is coming. And the truth is, artificial intelligence has developed the capability. Google has gotten to quantum computing, my brother. So now artificial intelligence has gotten to a place where it can do all the jobs that were done by humans before and much better. That is what, and the biggest thing why this all was done. Do you understand? From Henry Ford was credited getting assembly line into place. But what he really did was not explained. Let me explain that to you. You know, in Henry Ford's company, there were problems that skilled labor demanded fair rights. And Henry said, fuck you. I don't want to give you any fair rights. I'm going to take away all your power. Now nobody is going to be skilled anymore. You're all unskilled. Given steps, these are 10 steps that you do, these are 10 steps you do, these are 10 steps you do. If any of you go, no problem, someone else comes in, does those 10 steps. So you don't demand no fairness from me. This was Henry Ford, and he was he was amongst the intellectuals. So all these, intellectuals, so-called intellectuals, are not intellectuals. They are selfish bastards who knew how to exploit people, and that's what they have done for so long. And Kisan Bill is no different. 70s, they came in with green revolution. We had organic agriculture all across India. Their excuse was, you all are dying for hunger. If that was the case, they would have put in money and just helped grow our own organic agriculture. That was awesome at that point in time. There were no hospitals, just like in Africa that I'm right now. There are no cancer hospitals, there are no cancer, there is no BP, no diabetes, no chronic disease, because their food is right. But ETG, a chemical company, is here now. What are they going to do? Make sure all land gets chemicalized. What is then going to happen? Health supplements, all food is going to convert it into factory food. No food is going to remain from the farmer to the customer directly. Okay, there's going to be a middleman in between, that is factory. Nobody is going to remove this middleman. Modi is, nothing but a servant of these middlemen. Agent. Trump, Obama, all politicians are nothing but agents of these rich people. That's all they are. Okay, so let me come back to the story. 70s, they did this. They forcibly told you to put chemicals. Why? To centralize agriculture, to make sure that they earn money from Indian farming, from Indian people who eat food. Whenever you put a bite of food in your mouth, you can't gotta contribute to those people, pockets of rich people. That is their objective. That is why Monsanto, GMO, so much invested into research of seeds, modifying nature, controlling, making patents, and now they want to make sure the natural is gone. Then the artificial will come in and remain. Okay, like your life with your Android. They want your life to be linked to your phone. Without your phone, no social life, no wallet, no finances will exist. And without them, no food, no agriculture will exist. And then the plan of enslavement is complete. This is why long live revolution or inqilab is zindabad, my friend. Please wake up. Cashless surveillance state with artificial intelligence ruling every part of your life is a reality which is coming and here. If you don't wake up, your kids, oh my god, the worst jail that you can think of.